the four trances. Detached from sensual objects, detached from unwholesome things, the disciple enters into the first trance, which is accompanied by verbal thought and rumination, is born of detachment and filled with rapture and happiness. The first trance is free from five things, and five things are present. When the disciple enters the first trance, there have vanished the five hindrances: lust, ill will, torpor, and dullness, restlessness and mental worry, doubts, and there are present verbal thought, rumination, rapture, happiness, and concentration. So restlessness and mental worry are considered as one, torpor and dullness considered as one also. And further, after the subsiding of verbal thought and rumination, and by the gaining of inward tranquility and oneness of mind, he enters into a state free from verbal thought and rumination, the second trance, which is born of concentration and filled with rapture and happiness. And further, after the fading away of rapture, he dwells in equanimity, attentive, clearly conscious, and he experiences in his person that feeling of which the noble ones say, "Happy lives the man of equanimity and attentive mind." Thus he enters the third trance, and further, after giving up of pleasure and pain, and through the disappearance of previous joy and grief, he enters into a state beyond pleasure and pain, into the fourth trance, which is purified by equanimity and attentiveness. The four trances may be obtained by means of watching over in and out breathing, as well as through the fourth sublime meditation, the meditation of equanimity and others. The three other sublime meditations of loving kindness, compassion, and sympathetic joy may lead to the attainment of the first three trances. The geometry meditations, as well as the meditation on loathsomeness, will produce only the first trance. The analysis of the body and the contemplation on the Buddha, the law, the Holy Brotherhood, morality, etc., only produce neighborhood concentration. Develop your concentration, for he who has concentration understands things according to their reality. And what are these things? The arising and passing away of corporeality, of feeling, perception, mental formations, and consciousness. Thus, these five groups of existence must be wisely penetrated. Delusion and craving must be wisely abandoned. Tranquility and insight must be wisely developed. This is the middle path, which the perfect one has discovered, which makes one both to see and to know, and which leads to peace, to discernment, to enlightenment, to nirvana. And following upon this path, you will put an end to suffering. And see, but even so, even what you're supposed to develop, that's not the thing. There's something beyond it driving it.